Islamic calendar, the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah hold immense significance, marked by worship, reflection, and devotion. Here are 10 significance of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. Number 1. They are the best days of the year. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "There are no days in which righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah than these 10 days." Number 2. They coincide with the annual pilgrimage of Hajj, where millions gather in unity to fulfill one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Number 3. Charity and good deeds are highly encouraged during these days as they bring immense blessings and rewards. Number 4. The 10th day of Dhul Hijjah marks the Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, commemorating the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim to sacrifice his son, Ismail, as the act of obedience to Allah. Number 5. Performing the Eid prayer is a significant part of celebration, fostering a sense of community and unity among Muslims worldwide. Number 6. The day of Arafah falls on the 9th day of Dhul Hijjah, a day of profound forgiveness and mercy, where pilgrims gather at the Mount Arafah to seek Allah's blessings and forgiveness, and those who are not performing Hajj are expected to fast. Number 7. The takbir is highly recommended during these 10 days, symbolizing the glorification of Allah and the unity of Muslim Ummah. Number 8. These days offer a golden opportunity for spiritual growth and reflection, similar to the atmosphere of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Number 9. Just as fasting is highly encouraged during the last 10 days of Ramadan, engaging in fasting and extra prayers during the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah also hold great reward. Number 10. These blessed days provide a platform for believers to beseech Allah for forgiveness, mercy and blessings as they strive to draw closer to Him through acts of worship and devotion.